the day well lived makes every yesterday a dream of happiness, and every tomorrow vision of hope.
Carrying the same vision, we, on behalf of the entire team of Allen House Public School Jhansi, extend a very warm welcome to our honorable dignitaries, Chairman Sir, Chairperson Ma'am, Directors, Principals and all the members of Superhouse Education Foundation, and extend the same cordial welcome to all the member participating schools. We are the hope and forebearers of tomorrow. We carry the mantle and are up for a breathing journey and enjoying the ride.
Back in 2018 was a historic day when the foundation stone of Allen House Jhansi was laid. It is amazing to know how we transformed into a full-fledged, innovative campus renowned for its marvelous infrastructure and education scheme in such a short span. Our institution was conferred the deemed university status, and since then there has been no looking back. What more proof do we need that it has grown from a handful in a mere span of time?
Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Our students bear outstanding talents. Winning is great, but the secret which leads to winning is learning how to lose and preparing to win. Nobody goes undefeated all the time.
Under the able guidance of our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ruchi Shukla, we initiated an inter-school competition, Regalia 2021. Schools from all over the country participated, and here we are with the much awaited results. We have our champions who presented their alluring talents, so before declaring the results, I would take a minute to congratulate each and every school who participated in the event, as we believe that your inner potential cannot develop without your willingness and conscious participation. Now it's the time for the results. For the event, Lil Mimers with the event code R01.
The first position goes to Rayansh Singh, Delhi Public School, Jankipur. The second position goes to Ujjwal Trivedi and Leah Abha Singh, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. And the third position goes to Yuvraj Singh, Ellen Kids, Swarupnagar.
Now for the event toy making with the event code R02.
The first position goes to Saransh Yadav, Virendra Swarup Education Center, Kidwai Nagar. The second position goes to Mahima Singh, Allen House Public School, Roma, Kanpur. The third position goes to Vedant Singh, Delhi Public School, Unnao.
Now for the event Lil Movers with the event code R03.
The first position goes to Navya Singh, Allen House Public School, Panki. The second position goes to Drishya Agrari, Allen Kids, Swarupnagar. The third position goes to Anvi Mishra, Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar.
Now for the event Lil Magicians with the event code R04.
The first position goes to Avya Saxena, Allen House Public School, Panki. The second position goes to Ananya Singh, Virendra Swarup Education Center, Kidwai Nagar. The third position goes to Gaurita Srivastav with school code Allen House Public School, Roma.
Now for the event Creative Tuning with the event code R05.
The first position goes to Aryansh Kumar Singh, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. The second position goes to Aradhya Anand, Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar. The third position goes to Arpita Dubey, Delhi Public School, Bareilly.
Now for the event Fancy Dress with the event code R06.
The first position goes to Avika Umrao, Allen House Public School, Ruma, Kanpur. The second position goes to Nitya Singh, Virendra Swarup Education Center. The third position goes to Suvali Gupta, Virendra Swarup Education Center.
Now for the event Ad Mad Show with the event code R07.
The first position goes to Paki Nivatia, Allen Kids, Swarupnagar. The second position goes to Jayati Gupta, Pulkit Gupta, Prashant Seth and Elisha, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. And the third position goes to Iza Nasir, Allen Kid, Swaroop Nagar.
Now for the event, Lil Reciters with the event code R08.
The first position goes to Pankhudi Nishad, Allen House Public School, Pankhi. And the second position goes to Disha Sharma, Virendra Swaroop, Kanpur. And the third position goes to Wagni Singh, Delhi Public School, Indranagar.
For the event Blue World with the event code R09.
The first position goes to Arnika Singh, Allen House Public School, Pankhi. The second position goes to Prayag D. Prakash and Shrishti Kaushik, Allen House Public School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad. And the third position goes to Advik Jakotia, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur, and Sanvi Singh, Allen House Public School, Pankhi.
For the event Beat the Floor with the event code R10.
For Group A, the first position goes to Anahita Singh, Allen House Public School, Ghaziabad. The second position goes to Yashika Agarwal, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. The third position goes to Tanishka Raghuvanshi, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. For Group B, the first position goes to Kushagra Paul and Ananya Elani, Allen House Public School, Pankhi. The second position goes to Samir Gautam and Manvi Raj, Allen House Public School, Rome. The third position goes to Siddhi Mishra and Avantika Singh, Allen House Public School, Lucknow. For Group C, the first position goes to Naitik Khedia, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. The second position goes to Tasha Khanna and Jayasri Yadav, Allen House Public School, Rome. Third position goes to Rashika Archita, Guru Nanak Modern School.
Now for the event the Grand Lens with the event code R11.
The first position goes to R. Rasmi Teja, Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar. The second position goes to Tejas Tava Saxena, Allen House Public School, Pankhi. The third position goes to Anayasha Basu, Delhi Public School, Indranagar.
Now for the event recapitulation with the event code R12.
The winners are Aradhya Mishra, Mithali Bajpai, Aryan Maurya, Priyanka and Tanishka Singh, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur.
Now for the event the At Max Show with the event code R13.
The winners are Rishabh, Shivi, Tibra, Ridyansh, Allen House Public School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad.
Now for the event Fancy Currency with the event code R14.
The first position goes to Shikhar Yadav, Allen House Public School, Vrindavan. The second position goes to Manik Maurya, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. And the third position goes to Shaurya Yadav, Allen House Public School, Pankhi.
Now for the event Handimals with the event code R15.
The first position goes to Shrishti Shri, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. The second position goes to Ishan Singh and Sanvi Kumari, Allen House Public School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad. And the third position goes to Varun Saral, Allen House Public School, Pankhi.
Now for the event Science Tricks with the event code R16.
The first position goes to Devansh, Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar. The second position goes to Samriddhi Chaudhary, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. And the third position goes to Avyukt Shah, Allen House Public School, Pankhi.
Now for the event a Junior Trainer with the event code R17.
For Group A, the first position goes to Tejaswini Sinha, Allen House Public School, Pankhi. The second position goes to Kanishka Gupta, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. And the third position goes to Sanvi Jha, Delhi Public School, Bareilly. For Group B, the first position goes to Ranvijay Singh, Allen House Public School, Pankhi. The second position goes to Harmeet Singh, Delhi Public School, Bareilly. And the third position goes to Tanmay Pandey, Guru Nanak Modern School.
Now for the event Ahwan with the event code R18.
The first position goes to Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur, Kanpur. The second position goes to Delhi Public School, Indiranagar, Lucknow. The third position goes to Dr. Virendra Swaroop Education Center, Kidwai Nagar, Kanpur.
Now for the event Brilliant with the event code R19.
Group A, the first position goes to Ujjain Savarkar, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. The second position goes to Vaishnavi Singh, Guru Nanak Public School, Kanpur. The third position goes to Prisha Tiwari, Delhi Public School, Indrapuram, Lucknow. For Group B, first position goes to Raghu Singh, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. The second position goes to Apurva Chauhan, Delhi Public School, Bareilly. The third position goes to Pavni Rai, Allen House Public School, Vrindavan, Lucknow. For Group C, first position goes to Anupam Datta, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. The second position goes to Prakhar Saxena, Delhi Public School, Indiranagar, Lucknow. The third position goes to Uday Gupta, Guru Nanak Public School, Kalyanpur, and Kumkum Chauhan, Greenland Public School, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow.
Now for the event Raise Your Mic with the event code R20.
Group A, the first position goes to Darsh Shailesh Kulkarni. The second position goes to Divyani Paul Samriddhi Diwari, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. And second position goes for Harsh Naik, Delhi Public School, Bareilly. The third position goes to Aditya Thakur, Adhya Agrawal, Allen House Public School, Ghaziabad. And Pradhan Pratap Singh, Anugrah Agnihotri, Delhi Public School, Jagtipuram. Group B, the winners are Lavanya Gupta and Rishika Singh, Delhi Public School, Eldeco. Group C, the winners are Prisha Bharti, Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar.
Now for the event the Formula Game with the event code R21.
For Group A, first position goes to Shubhi Prakash Singh, Delhi Public School, Jankipuram. Second position goes to Ashi Goel, Delhi Public School, Bareilly. Third position goes to Dipanshu Sarkar, Delhi Public School, Kalyanpur. For Group B, first position goes to Saksham Tyagi, Allen House Public School, Vrindavan. The second position goes to Akshita Agrawal, Delhi Public School, Bareilly. For Group C, first position goes to Jaya Singh, Delhi Public School, Bareilly.
Life doesn't require that we be the best, only that we try our best.
So friends, try your best for success. Try to be as efficient as possible, and as said by one of the greatest philosophers of all the time, Socrates, there is only one good, knowledge, and one evil, ignorance. So, I would like to thank all of you to be part of this event. This is Alishba Shadman
And Pratham Shukla
signing off. Remember, winning and losing is part of the game. What matters is participation.